we go, tornado watch. Come on, focus. There we go. There it is. Oh dang, that one actually was too.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 154, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McHenry, McLean, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Wauwers. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions
Yes,
and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA's weather radio, QZZ 57.
Hold up.
Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, DeKalb,
Hasn't refreshed yet.
Stevenson, and Lake counties in Illinois, as well as Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information.
Come on, refresh my
This is
reader.
NOAA weather radio, QZZ 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, Stevenson, and Lake counties in Illinois, as well as
There we go.
Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin.
Come on, finish loading.
Broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 2:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 154, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Bureau, Carroll, Cook, DeKalb.
I don't know if it's going to refresh yet, but